Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to install VS Code and C compiler for coding in language C. So let us start the video by downloading VS Code. All the links will be given in description. So as you can see, VS Code download has been started. Meanwhile, we will also download the compiler. You can also search for it as I am searching, or go to direct download links which are given in the description. So as you can see, we have to scroll down a little and click on direct link to the installer. It will automatically start the download. After downloading both the files, open one by one each of them. First of all, we will open VS Code setup. Click on I accept, next, next, next. Check mark all the icons as they are very useful. Next and install. Checking mark all the icons is totally on you, as it may vary how you want to use the VS Code. So after installing, it will ask for launching the VS Code. We can launch it. As you can see, this is the interface. Now we will install one extension named C/C++ extension pack, which is given by Microsoft only. And it is very useful as we will be requiring it many times, and also it helps our compiler. So after installing it, now let's move forward to the next step, which will be opening the second file. Next, next, again and next, and it will start installing it. It may depend on your internet connection and your computer speed, how much fast it installs. After that, click on next, then run it. As you can see, there is one command prompt open. Now copy the command which is shown here. It will be also provided in the description if you need it. Then paste and then install. Click enter and again enter. After entering, press Y and again press enter. So after that, it will download few packages, which is around 1.2 GB. So it might take a little while. So it may vary upon your internet speed, and after that it will also extract and install the packages to your computer. So I will cut the video from here. And now after installing, you will see something like this. We can close the command prompt as we have successfully installed all the libraries. Now we will be requiring to open our environment variables, because as you know that the C compiler is just installed. Now we need to add it to our computer so VS Code can access it. So we can go to path, edit, then click on new, then click on browse, then go to this PC, then your C drive, then go to my S64, then scroll a little until you find this little folder named UCRT64. Then click on bin, then OK again. After you see it's added, then click again on OK. So we have successfully installed our compiler in our computer. We need to install the code runner, which will help us to run the code directly. We will go to extensions tab and then search here code runner, install it. Let me just type example code. For that, we will go to settings, then click on extensions, then scroll down until you find the run code configuration. Now scroll until you find the option we are required, that run in terminal. After clicking this, the code will run directly, and we will be also able to take input from the terminal. As you can see, it it is running successfully. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will be happy to clear them out. This for it today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also install C compiler and use it for coding. Bye bye.